We've mixed and homogenized and aged our mix, found a flavor base we want, or maybe a fruit pack, and are ready to make some ice cream. Now what? We need to put that mix through some equipment to turn it into our favorite food. Where do we begin? At the flavor vat. A flavor vat is exactly what it sounds like, a vessel that holds mix that needs to be flavored. This is where we add the strawberry puree or butter pecan base to the plain mix. The additional flavor is mixed in until it's homogeneous, and then it's ready for freezing. The next step is freezing. The flavored mix is pumped to the ice cream freezer, where it's frozen to 50 to 100% overrun, depending on the preference. Remember when we talked about adding air to ice cream? This is what we're doing now, during the freezing cycle. Typically, we will be done freezing when the mix reaches 19 to 23 degrees Fahrenheit as it exits the freezer. The time that it takes to achieve this temperature and overrun is dependent on the type of freezer that's being used, the size of the freezer barrel, and the flavored mix ingredients. Once this frozen delight is out of the freezer, it can have tasty inclusions added, or perhaps that fruit pack instead. The fruit feeder adds inclusions to the finished ice cream via a hopper containing an auger, a wheel shaped like a star to catch the particulates and feed them into the stream of ice cream that's passing by the machine. A bit further down the line, the inclusion-rich ice cream encounters an inline auger, and that further distributes the inclusion for just the right amount in each spoonful. No, Oompa Loompas don't control this equipment. It's all about the science. After the fruit feeder, the variegator may be utilized to inject that ribbon of goodness into the frozen dessert. The faster the spin is pumped into the ice cream, the bigger the ribbon stripe. Once the ice cream has been flavored with all the delicious flavors and mix-ins, it needs to be filled into containers. Pick a size, any size, a 3-gallon jumbo tub or a pint. After filling, the package of ice cream travels to a hardening room and remains there for several hours to become completely frozen. The hardening room is really cold, anywhere between 0 to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really, really cold. This helps the ice cream maintain its shape in the container and prepares the product for distribution into the supply chain that makes its way to your local grocery store. There are a lot of manufacturing steps that ice cream needs to go through in order to deliver its creamy, flavorful deliciousness. Thanks for watching, and go enjoy some ice cream.